Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing a simple yet delicious Japanese style shrimp teriyaki udon recipe. We will be using instant Japanese style udon noodles. The pack comes with 4 servings, but I am using 2 packs for this recipe. Start by bringing water to a boil. Then add the udon noodles and cook for just 2 minutes. That's all it takes. I just followed the instructions on the package. Once cooked, drain the water completely, rinse the noodles under cold running water and set them aside. Next, let's marinate the shrimp. Use a little salt, pepper powder and lemon juice. Let it sit for about 30 minutes. Heat oil in a pan. Add the marinated shrimp and cook for 2 minutes on each side or until they turn slightly golden brown. Then set them aside. In a wok or a large pan, heat a little olive oil, add chopped garlic and the white part of the spring onions and give it a quick stir. Now add 1 medium onion and 1 small capsicum, both chopped into cubes. Saute for about a minute with a pinch of salt and some pepper powder. Add the cooked shrimp back in. No need to cook them again since they are already done. Then add your sauces. 2 teaspoons of teriyaki sauce and 1 teaspoon of chili paste or sriracha sauce. Mix everything well, then add the cooked udon noodles. Toss thoroughly until everything is well combined. I actually forgot to add sugar earlier, so I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of sugar now, along with the green part of the spring onions. Give it a final mix. Taste and adjust the salt and spice if needed. And we are almost done. Finally, sprinkle some roasted sesame seeds for a lovely nutty flavor. This step is totally optional. And there you have it. Shrimp teriyaki udon is ready. Serve it hot. Though the recipe is simple, the flavors were amazing. We really enjoyed it and I hope you do too. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes and travel videos. Thanks for watching.